What? What? Look at what you did. You're sorry? You don't know? You don't know? I don't understand. I don't understand. Why? You don't know. Oh. Twinkie. It's okay. Why you mean? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah? Look at what you did. Look. No? 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 You want to do even Stevens? No? Okay. We're not doing no even Stevens. Why you cry, baby? It's okay. That thunderstorm got you a little spooked, huh? It's okay, sweetheart. Yes, my baby. How about we just love? Yeah, we don't play no more. You can get a little bit of sleep, get some love. Okay. My good boy. My good baby. Yeah, we'll get some love. I think it's early bedtime for you tonight. You'll make some good nights, huh? It's okay. It's just a thunderstorm, sweetheart. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It is, baby. It's okay. It's just a little scary. It's just loud. It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, that's very cute. Yes. Hi. What are you looking at? What you looking at? Don't look at, you're trying to bite trying to bite a hole. That's what you're doing. Stop that. No, bite the hole. You made a new one? Twinkie. No.